guys, what's up? It's your girl Donnell. In today's video, I took two trends and I made something really yummy. Trend number one, I took this whipped coffee and I added a little bit of collagen peptides to it. Stay watching and I'm going to show you how to make this.
I've been pushing work all summer.
Alright guys, so if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, tap that bell so you don't miss out on new videos. Now, I'm starting off with my instant coffee. And this video really is inspired from yesterday's video. I uploaded just a regular whipped coffee, and then I thought, hey, I love my collagen. Can I make this with collagen? Because I love just sneaking collagen into any and everything. All right, so we're gonna drop in 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee. And now we need to go ahead and sweeten this up. And I'm just gonna use regular sugar. You can use any sweetener that you choose to use, totally up to you. So 2 tablespoons of that. Now it's time for 2 tablespoons of hot water. Time to mix this thing. I will use my hand mixer, however you can use a little whisk, whatever you have will work. And I'm not including my collagen just yet. I will include my collagen when it's just about done. All right, now that I have my nice whipped coffee right here, I'm gonna take this moment to drop in a teaspoon, because I'm just trying to sneak a little bit of collagen in. So just 1 teaspoon of collagen into this mix and quickly mix for about a few seconds and I'm done. There's my collagen. I prefer a whipped coffee that's gonna be iced. So I've gone ahead and loaded up my ice already, and I'm gonna put about a cup of milk inside, a half a cup to a cup. And all I have on hand is whole milk. You can use almond milk, you can use coconut, whatever you wanna use, you can go ahead. But I have my whole milk, and now I'm going to put my mixture inside. Okay, y'all, look at this. Look at that. I haven't mixed it yet, so I just have my whipped coffee on top with my milk, my iced milk. Look, guys, some quick tips if you're making this. Remember to, when you mix your instant coffee, you whip that up first, and then you drop your collagen into that mix once it's all whipped. Let's go ahead. Look, it's nice and thick. I'm gonna stir this thing around. I didn't use all of the whipped coffee for this drink. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the refrigerator and see how it holds up for tomorrow. And I'll let you know how it holds up. Yum. I'm gonna love this already, simply because I made one just like this yesterday. The only exception was it did not have the collagen. So today was the very first time that I incorporated collagen into my whipped coffee. Wow. Absolutely delicious. This is so good, guys. Go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for tuning into this video today. And remember, y'all, life is totally what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time, ciao.